Hey Carrie, thought it'd be helpful if I just gave you a real quick tour of the things FIP. I'm sending you a link, and the link will take you straight to this FIP page on the DOE site. On the very first page that you get here, the very front of the FIP page, it talks a little bit about what FIP is, and if you scroll down, you'll see the different course series and different specific individual little courses that you could either make available to specific teachers or ask specific teachers to go through, or even you could send an entire PLC through a course series or a course. Or you could, just any number of different ways you could do it. You could even go as a whole faculty through one set of the courses. So the FIP Foundations course series is kind of the beginning. It's just like an overview of all the different parts of FIP. Learning targets, creating and using clear learning targets, document and evidence of learning, providing feedback for students, fostering student ownership, these types of things. So these are all individual little short, approximately 1 hour to go through lessons, and then if you put them all together, they make up the course series of FIP Foundation. So again, you could do the whole series, or you could do each individual or a individual little course. Clear learning targets course series, ELA, elementary, middle, high, like specific creating learning targets for that subject area, and then the same thing in math. And then heck, look at there, physical education. How about them apples? So they basically take each of these 6 on the foundations course and expound on them a little bit deeper. So the reaching every student, designing sound assessments, and then they were supposed to this year come out, I'm sorry, I'm scrolling, probably making you dizzy. They were supposed to come out during the school year with one about communicating to parents and communicating some of this stuff with parents as well. So that's on that main page, right? Up here at the top, you will find a login to the actual professional learning site for FIP. It looks like this when you click to it. And I'm going to send you also, I have to give you the FIP passwords, but this is the FIP password for teachers. There's a separate one for administrators, so that if you have teachers going through it, you can kind of keep an eye on what they finished and what they haven't, so that you can have conversations with them if you wanted or needed. So I'll send you this as a PDF, and then in the email, it will have the admin code. So you would sign up with the admin code instead of with the student code. And then when you log in, mine will look a little bit different. Oops, well, lost Stacy. When you log it, when you see it picks me right up where I left off in one of the ones I was in. But if I go back to the home, which is what it will probably bring you to, there's a button here for online learning. You won't have this one as the access code, but when you click into the online learning, you can see this. It's one of the ones that I have that I'm sort of working on right now. This is the last one I was in. This is the kind of main overview one that I'm working on, but you can even click here, look at the catalog, and it's going to show you those same things. The full course, the full course, the full course, or if you scroll down, now you're looking at individual lessons, individual lessons, individual lessons within those full courses. If that makes any sense. If it doesn't, holler back at me. Right here, again, on the website, that main page that we were at, on the right-hand side, there's where you logged in. And here, FIP Resources gives you lots more information about sort of all of it. How you can match the FIP courses to your LAPS crosswalk in LAPS work for the leader keys. And then there's one down here, matching FIP to the TAPS crosswalk. So in the teacher keys version, there's a brochure for teachers, an overview presentation if you wanted to, if they wanted to watch it, tells them how to locate the app, the codes. There's tons of information on here about it. Once you kind of look at that sort of overview, here's sort of an overview. Once you look at sort of the overview stuff, if it's something that you want to dive into further, just let me know, and I'm happy to support you guys through it. There are some tools on here for if you wanted to support the PL of it. Yeah, so there we go. I think that's about all of it. Holler at me if you need. And again, I've attached the access codes for teachers, and I've embedded in the email the access code for admins.